a treble crochet today. This is what it looks like. So with the treble crochet, sometimes it'll be T-R-E-B-L-E. I think it's a UK versus US variation, and then sometimes it will be T-R-I-P-L-E. So treble, triple, treble, triple. It's the same stitch. Well, I take that back because I think sometimes in Australia, the treble is actually a double crochet. Don't quote me on that. The treble is a triple. The triple is a treble. Let's do this. So this is the treble crochet or triple crochet. So this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna need your hook. I have my 6mm boyer again. All right, let's get started. Just like with the other ones, we're gonna start with our chain. So we are gonna chain 18. So once you have your, sorry, actually we're gonna do 19. So go ahead and add one more chain onto that. And then once you have your 19 chains, mine's a little wonky looking here. Don't look at that. And sometimes that happens, but you can still figure out what's going on. So this is gonna be my first chain here, second, third, and fourth. So for the treble crochet, it's gonna be consisting of like 3 stitches. So you wanna skip these first 3 and we're gonna treble crochet into this 4th stitch, this 4th chain here. So you're gonna yarn over twice, insert your hook into that chain, pull that yarn through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the second set of 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull through that last set of loops. So again, that's yarn over twice, insert your hook into that chain, and pull that yarn through. So you have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through middle 2, yarn over again, pull through final 2. Yarn over twice, insert hook, pull that yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through middle 2, yarn over, pull through final 2. And then we're just gonna keep going down this line, and then I'm gonna show you how I do these corners. Once you're down to this corner section, chain 2. A lot of patterns and stuff will say 3. You can change 3, you can chain 3, it's a personal preference thing. I use 2 because it keeps a tighter gap here at the end. So there's not this like weird loop hanging off. So if you chain, and I'll kind of show you what that looks like. So chain 2, go ahead and turn your work over. You're going into this first chain here, or this first stitch here, because I am using the ghost stitch in this scenario. So you're gonna yarn over twice, insert your hook into that same stitch that your chain is coming from, and pull that yarn through. And now you have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through that first 2 set of loops, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, and pull through final 2. So in this same stitch, you have your chain, and then you have your first treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into that stitch. You're doing 2 this time instead of the chain 1, or instead of what you had in the chain. So you have 2 loops that you're inserting through. Pull that yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through middle 2, yarn over again, pull through final 2. One more time. Yarn over twice. Insert that hook, pull that yarn through, yarn over, pull through first two, yarn over again, pull through middle two, yarn over for a final time, pull through final two. And that is what your treble crochet is going to look like. And I'm going to give you a quick example of how this looks if you don't do the ghost stitch. So let me do that real quick and I will be back. Here is the same pattern, the treble crochet, without the ghost stitch and just using my chain as my stitch. And as you can see, it kind of creates a much larger hole here than really is in between the other stitches. So that's why I use the ghost stitch. So instead of using the chain, I would also add a stitch in here for the treble crochet, and then this chain would be my ghost stitch, which is what I did over here. And you can see how that looks way better. There's not like a weird gap on the end, and it just gives you a cleaner finish along the lines or along the sides too. So it doesn't look so wobbly. If you're doing a straight line, if you're doing something else, then it might not matter. But yeah, so this is the treble crochet. It will eventually turn into this. I hope this was helpful for you. But yeah, so go out and do it. So these are the other ones that we've done. This is the single crochet. This is the double crochet. This is the half double crochet, and then this is the treble crochet. Also, if you haven't already, I made a video for single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. So those are in my beginner crochet series. This is the last installment of the beginner crochet series, and with these 4 stitches, you should be able to make a whole lot of stuff. But that's it. That's the basics, other than like a granny square, which that's gonna be coming up soon. Oh, I gotta stretch. I hope this helped in your crochet journey. I hope you can make all of the things happen. It's so exciting. You can make so many things. So many things. Oh, see you later. I'll catch you on the wrong side. If you didn't understand that, that is a crochet pun. Keep hooking. I do love a good crochet pun. But anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.